In this video, I'm going to show you a way you can convert your audio files from one format to another for free using a free web tool. It's on coolutils.com, and you'll find the URL to the tool exactly in the resources document. Okay, so all you need to do is browse for the file on your computer that you want to convert. So click here, and let's go to music here, and let's upload this one. Okay, so this one is an MP3, and let's say we want to convert it to a WAV. You can pick whichever one you want here. Okay, and then over here you can, if there's any options to change, you can do it over here. Now just wait until this is clickable down here, and there it is. So now that it's clickable, click on it, and it will convert it. And once it's done, you'll be able to download the audio. Okay, and there it is in WAV format, so you just save it somewhere on your computer, and you're done. Okay, so that's how easy it is to convert your audio files from one format to another.